It's around 1 to 2 knots of wind. There's no wave at all. And we are silently gliding over the water with around 0.9 knots. Unbelievable. Spinnaker is doing the job. And look at this water. I hope you can see that. There's not a ripple on it. The boat is almost not moving. No noises. An occasional flap from the spinnaker. That's it.
So we have around 5:30 in the morning. We started from Bahia San Jorge, and our next destination will be Bahia de Los Angeles. And during the night we had like 0 to 1 knots of wind, and it's really awesome. The spinnaker is up and it is standing, it is sailing, and Christian is sleeping. His watch began already, but I don't want to miss this awesome sunrise.
This is almost what I meant yesterday night. There is a ripple now, but it's dead calm, and we are silently gliding over the water. Sea of Cortez is full of life, many seabirds, and we have bonitos jumping over there, and over there we saw a couple of whales a few minutes ago. There's some seals diving under our boat. Kuckuck. Mein Freund, how you doing? Maybe he's taking cover. Maybe there's some hunters down there. I don't know. Are you going to swim with a seal or what?
And the last thing he said is that a good idea?
there are jellyfish inside. Aua. Holy fuck. Da.
Oh wow. Ab ins Wasser.
Motherfucker. Oh, fuck. Da ist noch was. Oh. I'm not a pussy. That hurts.
Try more vinegar.
So the proper procedure after a jellyfish attack is to first wash all the tiny bits of tentacles off with fresh water. Salt water will work too, but whereas one stingy shit floats around, there's probably more, and that wouldn't make it better. After that, you can apply vinegar or hot water. Both kind of works, even though some people say the vinegar doesn't. A jellyfish sting is normally not a big thing, depending on where you are in the world. But if you get any allergical reactions, the story changes, and so should your treatment.
Like thousands of needle stitches. And it wasn't the whole jellyfish, it was just the arm from the jellyfish.
One of the tentacles.
Yeah, around my arm. Better.
Yeah, it worked.
It worked. I think it's getting better.
Where is this wave coming from?
At times, there was no wind at all, and we were drifting in the middle of the Sea of Cortez, enjoying ourselves and the nature around us. After the jellyfish incident, we didn't swim anymore, but sure found napping in the shades very nice as well.
That's better than in any zoo.
But after some time, the wind started blowing again.
Finally, the wind is back. Still have a passenger over there, but our friend the seal is gone. It's a gentle breeze, 6-7 knots, and now we start moving.
Lost patience, try land and slow. Hourless fate is this life, guided by my hands, or the man is going in the sleigh. And the sound
Over there is the buffer side. We are pretty much straight on course. If the wind holds like that, we should be there maybe later tonight.
there's a clock just beyond outside. It was past from father to son. So we set our sails tomorrow. When there's a way to find freedom, where's the great open sea? When there's a way to find freedom, on the waves
It's another 80 miles to go. General Signer, make more sail. Here it is, 3.9, 4 knots. That's better. Getting lively out there, eh? I would set the mizzen as well, but as long as I don't have another option for the shade, I really need that shade here. It's too hot here. It's way better than it used to be, but still, you get toasted. So talking about shade, we must look kind of strange with all that blankets and stuff rigged for shade. But when the sun touches your skin, it starts burning. Same with the pilot house, try to get it cool. We put blankets on both sides. I know it looks really ugly, but it does the job. It's so hot. My admiral has to strip off all her clothes.
It was a strict order.
Finally, the wind found us. We're doing 6.1, 6.2, sometimes 6.3 knots. Nice sailing. Couldn't be any better. Pretty calm sea. And Uncle Booby Bird is still sitting over there.
We kept on. The autopilot was holding our course and we grabbed each our books, napped or prepared snacks or drinks to prevent dying from dehydration. We changed our destination to Puerto Refugio and enjoying the sailing life, being free to go wherever we want.
And right after sunset we got a nice little mahi for dinner. What a great day on the water. A new day begins and we're entering the anchorage. After 2 days sailing, it took long, but we tried to sail as much as we can without running the engine too much. It's called Puerto Refugio. Lots of rocks. I've been here before. Anchored over there last time. Now we anchor in the East Bay. That was a great sailing, eh?
Yeah. Sometimes it was really hard because the wind was dead. So we had to adjust the sails a lot. But in the meanwhile, yesterday, the whole day, we had such a great sailing. It was awesome. And during the night, we had this light in the
Phosphorizing
algae in the light in the water.
It took us a whole day and the following night to arrive, but with another beautiful sunrise, we dropped anchor in East Bay of Puerto Refugio. And we had it all to ourselves. We played in the water, snorkeled, dove, spearfished, and had tons of fun. But that is another story.
I'm coming! Good morning.